Damn. Dumbass landed right there beside his damn shot there. Nice shot.
Thank you, sir. Should I shoot him again?
Hell yeah. That's pretty right there.
Did you shoot one in front? Oh shit. I didn't know there was one to the right.
2-1 shot.
Damn! Yeah, I was gonna shoot. I said, no, I ain't gonna shoot that there across your face. Dude, 2-1 shot. Dude, I wish I would have been. Dude, I think I was looking your way, so maybe I got it on camera.
Damn.
Oh shit. Kinda tired of waiting here, that's why.
No. 3 here to the left.
Go. Man, I thought he was gonna get away. I thought he was gonna get away from me. Oh, right here. Decoys. We killed one. There's a drake.
Maybe we have some swimming.
Oh shit!
Hey, why the look?
They came from like, oh, right here.
Oh, that water came over the edge.
Damn, they are, oh, they must be back there jumping them. Cause that's where they come. Right here, out front. Shoot him, Ellis.
I got way fucking behind him.
Damn, he was hauling ass.
We ain't shooting one.
Well, I got, he's down.
You see that one?
That pipe's hot.
Got one?
Yeah.
Hit him again if he's not.
Yeah. Right here, out front. Shoot him, Ellis.
I shot way fucking behind him.
Yeah, he was hauling ass.
We ain't quick enough.
Well, I got he's down.
You see that one?
He's down. I ain't seen. There he is. Shoot him up. Well, hold on.
I had to shoot him right-handed.
I got you. Hey, motherfucker went under again. Right here. What? Oh shit. What?
Does he come up again?
Nah, he's probably gonna come up to the right. Bufflehead behind us, but I don't think he's gonna. I think he's just flying. There he is. See him? To the right there. What a pattern. We got some ducks coming. We got some ducks behind us. To your right, right there. To your right. Turn back.
I get the one on the right.
Alright.
Damn, I shot right at the boat.
He's hurt.
Got him.
No, it's one up, but they're both down.
To our right, and then there's two to the left. Nah, he's a cripple. His radios are a whole lot better than fucking Nick's.
Yeah.
Coming around your right.
Oh shit.
Oh!
Good shot.
I'm out.
I think I got them, maybe. Two of them.
Both of them crippled. Dude, fucking right-handed. I swapped over. I swapped shoulders.
I didn't even see them till the last second.
I thought, did you knock down one over there too?
I knocked that one down.